Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue. Could not complete your request because of a program error. Okay, so if you're getting like this, right, could not export the clipboard because of a program error. If you're getting like that, right, what you need to do is, for example, if you have selected some of this or if you have created some rulers, okay, you can save the rulers. Okay, new guide you can create and you can clear the guides as well. Okay, and example, so if you have selected multiple logos or the text, okay, just click somewhere here. Okay, this is a A4 size paper, sheet size. So I'm just clicking on out of this paper sheet. Okay, yes, now I'm going to click on this print, and now I'm going to click on this print settings, so I should not be getting any error. So cool, now I'm going to print it. So that's it, friends, is the way you can see. Now I am able to print it. So that's it, friends, is the way you can print. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in my video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.